J'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, on va commencer la leçon septième. Range ta chambre. D'accord? Okay, let's start reading. C'est la chambre d'Alex. So this is Alex's room. Il est paresseux. Paresseux means lazy. Okay, and why he is lazy? This is car. Car and paresseux, ce sont des synonymes. Synonym. So whenever you want to give the reason, you can say paresseux. That is because. Car means also because. He is lazy because il ne range pas sa chambre. So he does not arrange his room. La mère d'Alex s'inquiète beaucoup. Okay, so Alex's mother or his mother is very worried. S'inquiète. Elle demande toujours à Alex de nettoyer sa chambre. She always asks him. Demande means ask him. She asks de nettoyer sa chambre. Nettoyer sa chambre means clean. So we are ranger sa chambre or nettoyer sa chambre. So nettoyer is basically clean. Ranger means to set your room. Okay. Let's see the conversation between mother and son. Now the mother is saying, "Oh, perfect you. Lève-toi vite et range ta chambre. C'est très sale." So, perfect you means what are you doing? Lève-toi. Lève-toi, remember, this is the nominal verb. We did it. Lève-toi vite. So, get up quickly. Range ta chambre. Like set your room, clean your room, whatever you want to say. C'est très sale. It is very dirty. Now, what the son says, mais maman, j'aime ma chambre comme ça. Elle est très vivante. J'aime ma chambre. So I like my room like this. Okay. So I like my room like this. And in this way, elle est très vivante. So it looks very lively. No, t'inquiète pas. Don't worry. This is again, we learn l'imperative sentence. Okay. This is also l'imperative. That's why you remember ranger is ER verb, but we remove S from here. Okay, next one is tu dois mettre. Okay, Mama says tu dois mettre tes affaires en ordre, mettre les livres sur la table, ferme ton armoire et range tes vêtements. Ne joue pas aux jeux vidéo et finis tes devoirs. Tu dois means have to or you must. Okay, mettre tes affaires en ordre. So you must keep your things in place. So if you want to say set your things at the right place, you should say tu dois mettre tes affaires en ordre. Okay, now she is telling like mettre les livres sur la table. So put your books on the table. Ferme ton armoire. Close your wardrobe. Range tes vêtements, arrange your clothes. Ne joue pas aux jeux vidéo, do not play video games. And A, finis tes devoirs, finish your homework. Now he says, est-ce que je peux ranger la chambre un peu plus tard? Now we have already read that he is very lazy. So what he says to Mama, est-ce que je peux ranger la chambre? So can I arrange my room after some time un peu plus tard? Okay, let's see what Mama says. No, finis ton travail. Order. Finis ton travail. Dépêche-toi. Range ton cartable aussi. Les crayons, stylos et cahiers sont sur le lit. Fais tout immédiatement. Fais ça tout à l'heure. Now, what she's saying, no, finis ton travail. Okay, this is what she is saying, like, finish your work. Dépêche-toi. Dépêche-toi means hurry up. Range ton cartable aussi, arrange your school bag too. The pencils, pen, notebooks are on your bed. Set them. Fais tout immédiatement. Do everything right away. Fais ça tout à l'heure. Do on time. Tout à l'heure means on time. Now, see, he's very like, okay, dancing and saying, oui, mama, bien sûr. Attends 10 minutes. Okay, mama, of course. And wait for 10 minutes. Attends. That is attendre. All these are whatever conversation is, these all are your l'imperative students. Can you see? Attends 10 minutes. Now, mama say, très bien. Soit, that is your adverb. Remember, exception. This is also l'impératif. Sois un garçon sage, which means be a good boy. Be a good boy. Je fais un gâteau au chocolat pour toi. Now, Mama is very happy. So she's saying, okay, I'm going to make a chocolate cake for you. Now, see, he's thinking of chocolate cake. Oh, Mama, tu es très gentil. Merci. So he's saying, Mama, you are very kind. Merci. Thank you. Okay, let's do these questions. We will attempt these. Pourquoi Alex ne range-t-il pas sa chambre? So why Alex does not arrange or clean his room? Okay, how would you answer? So it will be Alex ne range. This will remove in your answer. Ne range pas sa chambre. Then we will give the reason. Parce que. Okay, parce il. Even we can use car. Okay, car il. Parce qu'il aime sa chambre comme elle est. Comme elle est. Right? What he is saying? That he likes his room as it is. So, il aime sa chambre comme elle est. Why? Il pense que, il pense qu'elle est très vivante. So, he thinks that it looks vivant, it looks lively by make it messy. Que fait-il dans la chambre? Que fait-il means what he does in the like room, play video games. Il joue au jeu vidéo dans sa chambre. Que la mère fait-elle pour Alex? So what mother make for what does mother make for Alex? That is gâteau au chocolat. Then we will write the answer. La mère d'Alex fait un gâteau au chocolat pour lui, for him. Okay. Next is vrai ou faux. Alex est un garçon sage. Faux. Alex is a good boy. Faux. Nahi, no. Because there is all mess and he's saying that it looks good like that. Alex joue au cricket. Faux. Joue video games. La chambre d'Alex est propre et nettoyée. So his room is proper and clean. No, that is also faux. Alex ne doit pas fermer son armoire. Faux. Cautionally bonne réponse. Tu m'aides toujours, so you help daily. Tu es dash. Tu es vivante ou jolie? Gentil. Vivante is very lively. Party and all, right? But gentil is the person who help others. So gentil. Il fait froid. It is very cold. Dash la fenêtre. Range la fenêtre means arrange or set or close. So it will come. Ferme la fenêtre. Dash conditioner, le train va arriver. Inquiété means worry, attendez means wait. So here will come attendez. So wait for like 1 hour, le train va arriver. The train will come or arrive. This is done. Let's do this reading. Now, what happened in the chapter, students remember? His mother was very happy and she said to make chocolate cake. Let's make chocolate cake. La mère d'Alex est très contente aujourd'hui. So Alex's mother is very happy today. Elle va préparer un gâteau au chocolat pour Alex. So she is going to prepare a chocolate cake for Alex. Voyons means let us see comment elle fait le gâteau. How she makes the cake. La recette du gâteau au chocolat. So this is the chocolate cake recipe. A gâteau que tout le monde aim. A cake that everyone likes. Tout le monde means everyone. Okay. Ingredient pour the person. So this is ingredients like used for two persons. What is the cuillère à soupe de beurre? Okay. So these are the two cuillère à soupe means 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of butter, the carré de chocolat. Carré is two pieces of chocolate. The cuillère à soupe de lait. Cuillère à soupe tablespoon of milk. The cuillère à soupe de cacao. That is your cocoa powder. Again, 2 tablespoons. Uh, cuillère à soupe de sucre. 3 tablespoons of sucre. That is your sugar. 4 cuillères à soupe de farine, that is flour. Okay, any like maida or whatever you take to make it flour. Okay, enough. That is your 1 egg. Préparation. Dans une, dans une tasse, dans une tasse, faites fondre le beurre. So, le chocolat et le lait. Dans une tasse, so in a cup, okay. Faites fondre. So it is a kind of whatever you want. Tasse is cup. Faites fondre. So you have to mix. Faites fondre means mix. What you are going to mix, that is your butter, chocolate, and milk. Now ajouter means to add. We have to add cocoa powder, le sucre et la farine. That is sugar and flour. And puis love et mélanger les bien. And then add egg and mix them well. Third point, trois points. Faites cuire pendant 15 minutes au micro-ondes. So cook for 15 minutes in a microwave oven. Laissez le mélange refroidir pour quelques minutes et déguster. So let the mixture cool. Okay, let the mixture cool down for few minutes and taste. Okay, so deguste means to taste, right? So this is your cake recipe. So students, the next one is vous avez fait, vous avez faim. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez manger? Comment préparez-vous votre plat favori? Okay, so this is you are hungry. Vous avez faim. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez manger? So what do you like to eat? Comment préparez-vous votre plat favori? So how do you make your favorite dish, whatever it is, right? Then écrivez la recette. So écrivez la recette. Write this recipe. So here the like okay, we are going to write here because the space is very less over there. Let's say. So okay, it is all preference, but whenever I'm hungry, quand j'ai faim, j'aime manger un sandwich en légumes. So students, whenever I'm hungry, j'aime manger un sandwich. So I like to eat a sandwich or a legume. Say because the first reason is it is very easy to make. C'est facile à faire et très délicieux. Okay, let's do. Premièrement, on va écrire ingrédients. Ingrédients. Okay. Ingrédients, that is first of all the tranche de pain. Okay. The tranche de pain is 2 pieces of bread. Okay. Next is tomato, right? Then cucumber, uh, carotte, then feuille de lettuce. Understand what is this? That is lettuce, your lettuce. Okay, then cuillère de beurre, that is your butter. Cuillère de sauce, tomato. What else you can take? Yes, up the cell. Okay, that is your salt. Swad anusar. We can write up the cell. Okay, A the poivre, pepper, the poivre. Okay. Now, what you are going to do? So first of all, here we will write the preparation. Okay, preparation. Okay, so what you will do, first of all, lave. Lave means students to like you will wash. Okay, so lave. So if you are giving the instructions, can you see in your here as well? Can you use? We are using that sentence l'imperative. Okay. Similarly, here also we can use lave. Okay, lave a coupe. It means wash and cut. Lay legume. Okay, so legume were like tomato, cucumber, carrot, right? Now, second one is mate. Mate is the verb when you use to put. Mate, du, bar, okay, sur une tranche de pain. So, on the piece of bread, just put butter. De, ok, mettez du beurre sur une tranche de pain, right? And what else? A de la sauce, de la sauce tomate sur l'autre. And on another bread, l'autre means another one. Another bread, we will like apply tomato sauce. Okay. Now the third point is ajouter. Ajouter means to add. What you are going to add? Ajouter les légumes. Des légumes you can use. Ajouter des légumes. Et what else? La laitue. That is your lettuce. La laitue. Uh, la laitue. Okay. So we have applied this as well. Right. The next one is what else we can do? Yes. So the next one is mate. Now we have applied mate la deuxième, the second bread. Okay. Le deuxième tranche de pain par-dessus. Par-dessus means place it above the another one. Dessus, couper, cut it. Okay, couper on the. So in two parts we will cut a survey. Survey is to serve. So student, this you can make by yourself. Bon appetit. Happy meal. Bon appetit. D'accord? Right? So this one is done. Right? Question. This is just the sample. You can write in your own way as well. Let's read this topic. Répondre au mail. A mail. So in the last class, last video, we have like received a mail. Now the students are, I think, responding to that mail. Jean est le premier d'arriver à sa destination, Stockholm. So, Stockholm is the place where the Jean is the first to arrive at his destination. Gabriel Arcasi à New York. So Gabriel Atterri means landing. He's landing at New York. Monique arrive à Pondicherry à 14 heures. And Monique is arriving at Pondicherry at 2 p.m. Right? Now here see le lycée français Saint-Louis, c'est par quelle rue? Now it is saying the French school, Saint Louis. It is on which streets? So where it is? Okay, now il faut continuer. The person is saying il faut continuer tout droit jusqu'au Broma plan. So il faut continuer. You must continue. You must continue straight. Tout droit means straight. सीधा. Straight. Jusqu'à means till. That is the name of the place. From plan de Bromaplan, a bus. So Bromaplan, from Bromaplan, a bus, a tram, that is a tram, or a metro. So there is a metro or bus. Ça va prendre 30 ou 40 minutes. This will take 30 or 40 minutes. Désolé, monsieur, je suis un peu en retard. So sorry, sir, I'm little late. Okay? Ça va maintenant, amenez-moi tout de suite au lycée. Je suis très fatigué. So he's saying, okay, okay, no problem. Maintenant, now, amenez-moi means take me. Take me tout de suite. Tout de suite means immédiatement, immediately. Where? To the school. Je suis très fatigué, so I'm very tired. Okay, now he's saying, bien sûr. Okay, bien sûr, monsieur, or bien, monsieur. Okay. The next one is Bonjour madame, je suis complètement perdu. Est-ce qu'il y a une station de métro près d'ici? So all the students are at new place, so they are lost. So they are asking, okay. So first of all, here we have seen that he's asking, and now she's saying, Bonjour madame, je suis complètement perdu. I'm completely lost. Est-ce qu'il y a une station de métro près d'ici? So, is there any metro station nearby? What she's saying? Oui, mais à 2 heures, le service du métro est arrêté. Tu peux faire une chose, ma petite, aller vers le terminal C. Là, il y a une station de taxi. Louez un taxi pour votre destination et n'oubliez pas de donner un bon pouvoir au chauffeur. Now, what she's saying, we, yes, there is a service of metro, mais à 2 heures, at 2 o'clock, le service du métro est arrêté. The metro service is like stops, okay? So, to prepare in shows, you can do one thing. Ma petite. Ma petite means like when you say you can do one more thing, that is my dear. Okay, ma petite. Allez vers le terminal C. Go towards terminal C. Il y a une station de taxi. There is a taxi station. Louer means hire. Louez un taxi pour votre destination. So hire a taxi for your destination. Et n'oubliez pas de donner un bon pourboire au chauffeur. And don't forget to give a tip. Pourboire means tip to the chauffeur. Chauffeur is your driver. Okay. Now, the next one is now what she's saying, merci beaucoup, madame. Je vous en suis très reconnaissante. So when we say thank you so much, it is like that is merci beaucoup, but this is a very formal, and when you are feeling very like she helps you, then you can say this as well. Je vous en suis très reconnaissante means I'm very grateful to you. Okay. Now the next student is saying, Bonjour, monsieur le chauffeur. So, bonjour, good morning, driver. Bonjour. Okay, what he says, Bonjour, on va au lycée français. So, you are going to a French school? Oui, le lycée français. Comment est Pondichéry? Vous êtes ici depuis quand? So, how's Pondicherry? And you are here since when? Vous êtes ici depuis quand? Madame, je suis né ici. So he's saying, ma'am, I was born here. Je suis né ici. Et à propos de Pondicherry, à propos means and about Pondicherry, je suis la meilleure personne vous demander. I'm the best person to ask for this city. Why? Because je connais la ville à merveille. I know the city perfectly. Merveille means I know this city very well perfectly. Okay, so this is done. Reading part is done, right? So students, let me know if these videos are really helpful for you, and let me know also you want some other kind of video from any book and to practice. Okay, merci beaucoup, à bientôt.